Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display a custom message on lock screen on Samsung M35 device. Well, knowing how to display a custom message on lock screen of your device, you can provide emergency information, increase the likelihood of a lost device being returned, personalize your device, add in-device identification, offer reminders or interactions, enhance security, and cater to accessibility needs. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To start, navigate to the settings menu on your device. So scroll down till you find lock screen and AOD option. Then tap on it to access the lock screen and display settings. And within this menu, scroll a little bit and click on the edit lock screen option to customize the lock screen settings. Okay, after that, tap on Add Contact Information to include your name or any other message you prefer on the lock screen. So, enter the desired information according to your needs. When finished, click down to save the changes. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display a custom message on lock screen on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.